ஜம்சம் நிறுவனத்தின் ஏற்பாட்டில் கல்வித்துறையில் கடமையாற்றும் அதிகாரிகள், பாடசாலை அதிபர்கள், உப அதிபர்கள் என தெரிவு செய்யப்பட்டவர்களுக்கான மினி MBA பாடநெறியின் அங்குரார்ப்பண நிகழ்வு கடந்த 23 கொழும்பில் நடைபெற்றது. இப்பாடநெறி சிங்களம் மற்றும் தமிழ் மொழி மூலம் ஒரு வருட காலத்திற்கு நடைமுறை கல்வியை மையப்படுத்தி நிபுணத்துவ உள்ளீட்டுடன் வடிவமைக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. மினி MBA என்பது வணிக நிர்வாகத்தின் அடிப்படைகளை மையமாக கொண்ட பயிற்சி திட்டமாகும்.
The society is totally disconnected with the knowledge, leadership, responsibility. And education system is growing via day by day number of graduates, number of professionals, but society is being declined in the quality. Why is this? When we searching for the solution, only thing the missing is the leadership, responsible leadership. So this is the one of the key reason for us to come up with the mini MBA, to guide them, to coach them, to expose them, to demonstrate them from the hybrid way of training.
අධ්‍යාපනය තමයි හෙට දවසේ බිහිවන ලෝකය නිර්මාණය කරනු ලබන්නේ. එතකොට අධ්‍යාපන ශාස්ත්‍රයේ වැඩ කරන පිරිස, අධ්‍යාපන ශාස්ත්‍රයේ ප්‍රතිපත්ති සකස් කරන කට්ටිය, ඊළඟට ගුරු පුහුණු වැඩසටහන් ගැන තීරණ ගන්න පිරිස, පාඨමාලා ගැන තීරණ ගන්න පිරිස මම හිතනවා ඔබ හැම දෙනාම කරන්නේ හෙට දවස එහි සැකැස්ම, එහි හැඩය තීරණය කරන එක. ඉතින් එවන් පිරිසක් එකතු වෙලා, එවන් පිරිසක් සම්බන්ධ කරගෙන මිනි MB ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් වැඩසටහනක් මම හිතනවා මේක ඉතාම ප්‍රයෝජනවත් වෙයි.
Some of us are fully open about our own lives. Some of us are partly open. Some of us will allow only a few pages to be turned. Then there are also those who are totally closed. They do not allow others to read the human document. And that creates a lot of disparity in our society. And also, people get disengaged in doing their work. Now, I believe that a course like this is to enable you to seek ways and means in which you get connected with the people.
இத்திட்டம் வணிகத்தை பற்றிய அறிமுகத்தை வழங்குவதோடு மாணவர்கள் மற்றும் தொழில்வாண்மையாளர்களை தேடலுக்கு தயார்படுத்துவதோடு இத்துறை பற்றிய அடிப்படை புரிதலை வழங்க முற்படுகிறது.
සම්සම් ෆවුන්ඩේෂන් එක මේ තීරණාත්මක අවස්ථාවේ මේ රටේ අධ්‍යාපන ශාස්ත්‍රය තුළ මෙහෙයුම් කටයුතු කරන අධ්‍යාපන පරිපාලනයේ නිරත පිරිස් කැඳවලා වසරක කාල සීමාවක් තුළ අධ්‍යාපනය නොවන අධ්‍යාපනය හැසිරවිය හැකි මාර්ගෝපදේශනයක් තමයි මේ මිනි MBA පාඨමාලාවෙන් දෙන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ.
අපි සතුටු වෙනවා අපේ පළාතේ දරුවන්ගේ අධ්‍යාපනය වෙනුවෙන්, දරුවන්ගේ අනාගතය වෙනුවෙන් ඒ නායකත්වය දෙන්නට පුළුවන් පිරිසක් අපේ පාසල් පද්ධතියෙන් බිහි කර ගන්නට මේ මිනි MB පාඨමාලාව ඉවහල් වේවා කියලා අපි ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා.
We think that one or two communities can do well and other community is disconnected. None of us will be safe. Whether they are Tamils, Muslims, Sinhalese or anybody you call it. So we have to understand this truth. We have to carry along with us entirety of the population. That's how we can build the country. So I thought in that, rather than, there are two choices for you that we often see. Because so many people criticizing everyone else. That's the easiest thing. Sit down and criticize. Or you have another choice. Light a lamp. So curse in the darkness is also your choice. Or instead, lighting a lamp is also a chance. So it's important that you don't fall into that category of curse in the darkness crowd, which is that's very rare, very common. What is rare is that lighting a single lamp. So I must congratulate for the Zamzam to doing that.
What's the religious founders? That can be a Lord Buddha, or that can be a Jesus, Isa alayhi salatu wasalam, or that can be a Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What they left for us, they didn't left us any materials rather than the human resource. Only the human resource. Because of that only, we are living as a Muslim, as a Buddhist, as a Christian, anyone, any religion. Human resources are power. Islam religion, looking for the human development, is not only the knowledge. Knowledge with the spiritual values. Knowledge with the spiritual power. That's why Quran always saying, first word revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, not only Iqra, not only Iqra, read or study, no. Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. With the remembrance of Almighty, you start to study. Remembrance of Almighty. I am a responsible person to Almighty.
இலவசமாக வழங்கப்படும் இப்பாடநெறிக்கு மத்திய மாகாண கல்வி திணைக்களத்துடன் இணைந்து போட்டித் தேர்வு மூலம் அதிபர்கள் தெரிவு செய்யப்பட்டதோடு முன்னோடி திட்டமான இம்முயற்சி கல்வித்துறையில் எதிர்கால தலைவர்களை வளர்க்கும் நோக்கத்துடன் முன்னெடுக்கப்படுகிறது. இத்திட்டம் நீண்டகால அடிப்படையில் இலங்கையில் கல்வி நிர்வாகிகளின் தரமான வளர்ச்சிக்கு பங்களிக்கும் என ஜம்சம் நிறுவனம் நம்புகிறது. இத்திட்டத்தின் வெற்றிக்கு பங்களித்த வளவாளர்கள், அதிதிகள் மற்றும் தனவந்தர்களை இங்கே நன்றியோடு நினைவுபடுத்துகிறோம். அனைவருக்கும் இறைவனின் அருள் கிடைக்க பிரார்த்திக்கின்றோம்.